Hello everybody, so directly getting into the video, the preparation starts a night before. Here I am dry roasting some fenugreek, methi in Hindi, in a pan. Now I am adding coconut oil to it and I will keep it to rest overnight so that the methi or fenugreek leaves all its goodness in the oil. Next morning before applying the oil, we will heat it for just 10 seconds maximum. And I am using a red onion here. Do not forget to wash it as it has some dirt particles on it sometimes. And yeah, grinding it and taking out some onion juice. This is how the mixture looks like. It's ready to use. And guys, yes, before I forget, if you want to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description box. You can check out there. You all know how to apply it, but what I want to say that apply properly on your scalp and concentrate more on the areas where you have less hair. Slightly give a massage using your fingertips. You can see that I am using only my fingertips. I am not rubbing it. I have kept the mixture on for 2 hours. You can keep it for 1 hour if you are in a rush, or maybe longer. I'm not leaving any part of my hair. I'm just applying it all over. I have washed my hair now and I did not use any conditioner, I must tell you. And I will leave my hair to dry naturally. I won't be using any heating tool also, as I want to give you a real picture of my hair. My hair is wavy in nature, you can see. Here I am taking just 3 to 4 drops of coconut oil and applying it only in the length and ends of my hair. I'm not using on my scalp, just use it as a serum. So here's the outcome after washing my hair, and although just 3 to 4 drops of coconut oil. So it's completely dried naturally. I left it to dry naturally completely, and I wanted to show you the real actual result. I didn't use any heating tool or anything on my hair. I just combed it and it really feels soft, amazing. I don't know so whether you can feel it or not, but it's really soft. The idea is actually not to use any chemical on my hair. Now you know that I don't prefer using chemical neither on my hair nor on my face. I prefer not to use but it's not like that I never use. So this is the result, guys. Hope you like it, and please do try it at home. I'm sure you will like it. You'll see the results. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So I'll catch you up with my another video. Until then, do take very good care of yourself and love you all. Bye bye.